up, y'all? How y'all feeling? How are y'all feeling? Today, I'm feeling grateful. I'm feeling, I'm feeling spoiled by myself. So that's a new feeling, really truly pouring into myself. And like, if y'all hear this beeping in the back, please ignore it. Like, I think the carbon monoxide detector or something, battery died. And I'm just waiting for my parents to come on in and fix that. Today we're drinking carbon. Today we're drinking carbon monoxide. Am I good, bro? Today we're drinking pink Moscato. It's barefoot. Just some. I really went to Walgreens just to get this. Like, I needed one for the video, and just for my night, like just to top off the day. I feel like the day that I've had just deserves a glass of wine to myself. To myself, yes. But I bet you're wondering why I called you all here. Today we'll be doing a haul. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Today we'll be doing a haul. I enlisted the help of my friend Christine, who's a stylist. And I gave her the looks I was going for, and she steered me in the right direction. We had a budget and everything. So stay tuned and you might just find out what we got. So to start off, our budget was $100, okay? I feel like 100 was a good amount for the type of like, ooh, that beat be getting on my nerves. For the type of wardrobe expansion that I was looking for. So when I say wardrobe expansion, it's kind of how you take your, ooh, my phone's about to die. Are we surprised? We're back. Okay, so like I was saying, my budget was 100, and the type of thing that I was looking for was wardrobe expansion, which is where you add items to your closet that are gonna give you a wide variety. They can be used for a lot of things, and they also can be worn with things that you already have in your wardrobe. Because I feel like for me, my style hasn't exactly changed, but it's definitely evolved. And I feel like a lot of what I wear hasn't been like expressing really what I wanted to. So I really wanted to change that up. And that was just an investment in myself and how I feel. Because if y'all see what I'm wearing right now, I'm wearing these. Oh, what is that? Okay. I can't. Y'all see I'm wearing these Nike. I also got these at a thrift store. But these Nike Techs, they're sweats and a t-shirt. Like that's what I live in, really. Like, I think that my style is very comfortable. It has like two sides. Like, it has my going out type of side, which I, put a lot more energy into it. And then every day I'm more like a effortless type of person. So I really wanted to make my effortless looks more, expressive of who I am. I don't want the only time I feel, good in my outfit or like, like I'm popping off to be when I'm like, dressed up going out. So we put together a few sporty chic looks to really give me the expansion that I wanted. So shout out to my stylist, Christine. Y'all need to follow her at Up Your Closet. Y'all need to follow her. I'm gonna wait. Now that y'all's followed her, let's move on to the things that I got. So we went to multiple places today. The key to shopping, in my opinion, is to start at a thrift store because that's where you get really unique pieces and pieces you're not expecting. So, start there and then build on that by going to like a mall to get more items that you maybe didn't get at the thrift store, and that will add to the looks as well. So, the main item that I got this was honestly, this might be my favorite item of the day. I don't know. I got some really good things today, y'all. Like, I definitely spent a check, but to me, I feel like I'm investing in myself. Um, And in 2020, I'm getting into modeling and really pouring into my creative like talents and my creative passions. So, and that's why I said I will be. It's no longer I want to get into modeling. I want to start my YouTube channel. Like, no, I'm starting. Like, start now. Like, there's no reason to like wait for even the new year, but even with it up, like coming up, like this is the perfect opportunity to really reflect and look over your life and start acting, you know, in ways that will put you forward, put you where you want to be. So I feel like that's really been a theme in my life lately and definitely a theme of today. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get into these pieces, darling. But yeah, so we're going to H&M. We're going to Forever, Zara. Anything else? But we have, how much? We have 56, 55 to spend here. We spent 44 at the thrift store. But we got some very key items, you know. I feel strong before even coming to the mall about my looks. So, yeah, stay tuned. So, this is look number 1. So, this look is comprised of the one-of-a-kind jacket that we got from Value Village, which was, I want to say 20. This jacket was 20, and it has like fur on the inside. I was looking for a heavier type of jacket that, you know, gave structure, color. On the t-shirt, we got a vintage style shirt with Auntie Mary J. Blige. Put some respect on her name. On the bottoms, y'all can't really see them, but I'll put photos, of course. On the bottoms, we have these cargo pants that I got from H&M. I got them from the men's section because I find that men's pants just fit me better. I have very long legs. You know, they definitely, it's a little baggy right here, but that's why we have this yarn belt. But as far as accessories go, I don't know if y'all can see this. I'll put a closer up picture of it. But this is a piece I got for my silver chain. I already have a chain, and I'm planning to just add this to add layering. We have a cute little scrunchie. I really like to wear scrunchies on my wrist. Like, I think that's just cute. And depending on the style of my hair, you may see me wearing this scrunchie. So yeah, this is look number 1. Very chill. Like I said, I really like to be comfortable, but I just feel more confident in this than, you know, just sweats and a basic t-shirt. I'm gonna learn how to Vogue one day, y'all, and it's gonna be over for everybody. But yes, this is look number 2. I really like this. It's giving me 70s vibes. Yeah, I like this sweater. My favorite color is orange, so I'm really living for the color of the sweater and just how drapey it is. It's just makes you want to drape, like, you know, it's just that natural, you know. And for some reason, I cannot find the collared shirts we bought. Like, I promise you, I've looked everywhere. I've looked in the car, I've looked in all the bags. Like, I don't see not one collared shirt, and I'm so confused. But either way, I still learned a good tip from my stylist about, you know, the collar and the sweater. I think that these two pair really well together, the coloring at least. But my mom jeans. That's one thing that I really wanted to get. So, and these actually fit me very well. Like they're comfortable, but also they hug me in the right places. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Okay. Like I just feel really, and they're like not too high waisted, but they're like at a good part of my body where Ooh. Anyways, I'm trying to get Tiana Taylor abs. So, and I feel like these pants, I could wear these with a crop and be good. Like, this is what the back look like. You always gotta check what it make your booty look like. I think that's a good little booty. I think that's a good little booty. Not too crazy, but it's still poking though. It's still poking though. But yes, this is look numero dos. Oh, hey, y'all. So, this is the final look. So this look is, I used a piece that I already have. So this jean jacket I already had. What is new are the trousers. I wanted to show y'all one look with the trousers. I feel like I got a lot of trousers, so they can be interplaced, put in different types of looks, but this is the type of look I would wear them with. And I really like these, the texture. The texture! Yes, I live for. And I just paired it with a t-shirt. This is actually my favorite t-shirt. It's Alvin Ailey. If you know, you know. If you don't know, I ain't judging, but I'm judging. Y'all should get hit. A bucket hat is something I really wanted. I wanted something with a pop of color, but also a nice texture, and I think that's what this is. I think that with this hair, it looks a little crazy, but I would definitely style it in other ways, like with my hair more flat. I feel like that gives me more options of how to style it, but I'm not too mad at this. I'm really not. I'm not too mad. I'm not too mad. But yeah, I feel like bucket hats are playful. They add a pop of color. And like I said, you need to accessorize. I'm really trying to get into this YouTube thing. So any support, y'all watching, all of that is greatly appreciated. And, I really hope that y'all go into 2020 with a perspective of, pouring into yourself or pouring energy into whatever realm of your life that you need to, and receiving those benefits. I definitely believe that 2020 is going to be a year of reaping what we have sown. And, that doesn't mean that you stop sowing. Like, that means you need to sow. You need to sow. Like, you need to do things every day that put you closer to your goals, closer to your dreams. And I really hope that on y'all's life for 2020. I know for me in my household, actually, never mind. I don't hope that for y'all. I know that for y'all. 2020 is the year of sowing what you have reaped. No, reaping what you have sown. Reaping what you have sown. Okay, like I just encourage you to keep pouring into yourself, pouring into the things you love, pouring into your creative passions. And let's see, I want you guys to leave a comment down below of of one, your favorite look, 1, 2, or 3. I'll show them 1, 2, and 3. Let me know what you like the best, which pieces you love the most. And I want you to comment one thing that you are, that you are claiming for 2020. But yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.